Structures. They support the quality of life. No matter where we live, Valmont Structures touch our lives, guiding our way, lighting our paths, energizing our lives, and connecting us with the world. Every day, Valmont's lighting and traffic poles and sign structures help make life safer for people around the world. These structures support the lights and devices that illuminate the night, that regulate traffic, that guide travelers, and keep pedestrians safe along their way. Valmont's complete line of steel and aluminum poles and structures for lighting and traffic management are helping to meet the world's increasing transportation needs. And every day, Valmont's communication poles, towers, and minimum visual impact structures connect lives around the world, helping people to keep in touch, to surf the web, to conduct business, or to simply share the smile on someone's face halfway around the world. By sharing manufacturing and engineering practices across a global network, Valmont is able to leverage existing products, markets, and processes. As a result, Valmont is the only company in the industry to provide a comprehensive product selection for the utility, wireless communication, transportation, and commercial lighting markets. Because of Valmont's global presence, these highly engineered support structures are making life better for people around the world. Every day, everywhere, Valmont touches our lives, protecting and energizing our world, enabling communication, and supporting the quality of life. Valmont, conserving resources, improving life.